Tips
Most
to help
Americans
you stop worrying
endorsed
here
false
are some
memories
interesting ways
of the
to stop
Capitol
worrying.
riot.
1.
And
Remind
these
yourself
memories
that worrying
tended to
doesn't
favor
stop
their
things happening.
political
Things will
party for a
happen or
recent
not happen
study.
anyway.
Being
2.
able to instantly
Recognize that what ifs
respond
don't
with
usually help
sarcasm
with
within
problem
seconds
solving.
of a
It's better
stupid
to use
question
logic
is a
and
sign of a
brainstorm for
healthy brain.
solutions. Take
When
control
writing,
of your
studying, or
emotions by
reading,
using
listen to
rational
music
thinking
with
3.
no vocals.
Motivate
It will
yourself by
allow
something
you to
other than
concentrate
worrying.
better.
Take a break and do something
Psychologists
fun.
provide
And
evidence
then go back
for
to
a
your work
causal
again.
link
That
between
positive
greater
approach
forgiveness
will reap more
and
benefits.
reduced paranoia.
4.
Face
your
your
mind
fears
spends
and do the
about
things
70%
that you worry
of
about.
its
The
time
thought is often much
replaying
worse
memories
than the actual
and
thing you
creating
fear.
scenarios
5.
of
Ask
perfect
yourself,
moments.
what's the worst
the way
thing
we
that
talk
could happen?
to our children
Then, what
will
are the
become their
chances
inner
that it will
voice
happen?
foreign dies.
Then will you
They
survive
have
it?
7
If it
minutes
happens,
of brain
amen.
activity
Usually,
left.
that
It's
helps
a
to move
mind
us from an
playing back the
extreme
person's
and
irrational
memories
way of
in a
thinking
dream
to a more
sequence.
realistic
People
and
with
reasonable way
autism
of thinking.
outperform
6.
neurotypicals
Teach yourself
in
a range of
cartoon
relaxation
version of
strategies
recognizing
and
emotions
then concentrate
through the
on them
eyes.
instead of
Never
on your different
use your
fears.
favorite
Or
song
adopt
as
a
your
mindful
alarm
approach
clock.
and keep
You'll
your
end up
focus
hating
on right
it.
now.
The sight of water has a very calming and soothing effect on people, which makes them experience happiness, calming thoughts, and be even more imaginative. The way you dress is linked to your mood. Dressing well stabilizes and improves quality of happiness, reducing the risk of depression. Who gossips to you will gossip about you. Foreign spends about 70% of its time replaying memories and creating scenarios of perfect moments. Manageable stress increases alertness and performance. And by encouraging the growth of stem cells that become brain cells, stress improves memory. When our time on Earth is done, money or material things will not matter. But the love, time, and kindness we've given others will shine and live on forever. If taking care of your mental health means letting someone down, then let them down. If you have a dream, fight for it. It's not about how many times you get rejected, or you fall down or get beaten up. It's about how many times you stand, are brave, and keep on going. Foreign. If something takes less than 5 minutes to do it, immediately your life will be much more organized and productive. You read faster with longer lines, but prefer shorter. The most important person in your life comes to mind after reading this sentence. The human mind can maintain social relationships with up to 150 people. When you feel like you're low on something like money, you're obsessive about it. People who are drunk find others more attractive because drunk in person